This is a quick tutorial on how to use Image Armor products. We've got a light formula, we've got an ultra formula, and we've got a dark. Ultra is for one pass printing with printers that print white and color in the same pass. The ultra gels up the white, which basically is hardening the white. Gelling is just a fancy word for that. Hardens the white quick so that the color can sit on top and you can get a good print with how fast the white ink is coming out, because you're basically using wet ink on wet ink, and if the white doesn't dry as fast, the colors will also mix in with the white, which is not good because it's going to distort your image. So that's when we'd use the ultra formula. I also like using the ultra formula on multi-blended garments. So what we do is we can spray a decent amount of pre-treat on the multi-blended garments. We have some customers, and we do this sometimes as well, where we'll spray, press the shirt till the pre-treatment is dry, spray again, and press. But we cannot do this with every color that for a multi-blended garment. And the reason is because there are some charcoals, some grays that may stain if too much heat is applied. So also, that brings me to the next thing to talk about, and when you would use the light garment pre-treat is on white shirts, pastels, these kind of colors like charcoals, any type of gray you want to use the light formula for, like this type of orange, these bright neons, any polyester mixed material that's light, or even 100% polyester light materials, you can definitely use the light formula on. Dark formula is basically for dark shirts. So if you're printing on a dark shirt, like a black, you definitely want to use the dark formula. And it's basically for two pass printing. So not like the ultra where you can print white and the color in the same pass, but where the direct garment printer prints the white underbase first, then the color pass on top. It gives it a really nice pop. So that's when we'd use the dark formula. If you have any questions about our products, feel free to give us a call, email, add us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Anthony Creek, and thank you for watching.